Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I'm just gonna share with you guys the three stocks that I'm buying. I actually bought early last week. So the first one, it's Eversource. The symbol is ES. So I have here the chart and I have the 200 moving average, which is the blue line. And as you guys know, I like to buy during a wave down, and I don't like to buy on an all-time high. So as we can see the chart here, this is the weekly chart for the 5-year. This is the virus sell-off, another sell-off, and then a pump, another sell-off, and then a pump, and now we are also on a sell-off. So I bought around 85, and it's currently 85.54 right now. I bought about $5,000 worth of this, and if it keeps dropping a little more, I'll probably buy a little more. And I'm planning to hold this for a new all-time high and probably sell around 100. The chart looks very good here, and we can also see the analysis. We can see that the low is around 82, so we are at 85. The average is around 93, which is looking good so far. We can go to the financials if we need to. This is the balance sheet. So this is one. It also shows here strong buy. But the most important, that what I have focused the most, is the chart, as we can see here. And this is one of the few stocks actually that it's been selling for almost 4 weeks. Most of them are near the all-time high, so I already sold most of them. I just hold these three stocks, this one and the two that I'm going to show you guys right now. So let's jump to the second one. The second one is SAP. So this is another stock. As we can see, this is a 5-year 1 week chart, candle chart, and then we can see the moving average, the 200 moving average. We can see it hit the 200, it bounced, it almost hit the 200 again in 2018, it bounced, and then it went below the 200 in March, and then it bounced again, and it dropped again below the 200. Now I did not buy exactly at the bottom, but I started buying around 122 when it went above the 200. So this is confirming the reversal here, and that's when you're supposed to buy. And again, for this stock, I'm planning to hold it for at least 158 or 156 before I sell it. Let's take a look here. The same over here. We see we're near the low. The low was 111, the average is 140. So the chart looks good here as well. And the third one is Baxter. This is the third company that I bought. Also another 5,000 here. And I really like this chart here. We can see the uptrend here. And we came down here during the virus, almost hit the 200. And we've been in a downward trend for almost 6 months now, since May 2020. It's been slowly declining. And I bought this one at 75 or 6, I believe. And the current price right now is 78. So I'm already in profit. I'm planning to hold this for a new all-time high, maybe around 100 in the next 6 months on a year. So let's take a look at the analysis here. This is actually very good because it's even below the low target. The low target is 84. Actually, yeah. So it's 78 right now, so it's below 84. So as you can see here, it's a strong buy. And looking at the trend looks really good. We can also confirm it by looking at the maximum. We can see that this stock has been going up for a very long time. This is the dot-com bubble, and then the 2008 financial crisis. So it kept going up and up. So these are the three stocks that I have right now, and besides these three I also have gold, GLD. I bought GLD at 168. Let me show you guys GLD. GLD is also being sold right now. It's nowhere near the 200 moving average, but if we see the 1 year, I think it is. Yeah. So this is the virus crisis. So it came down below the 200. It spiked up almost to 194, 195. It came back down, and now it's bouncing again above the 200, which is a really good sign. And I got a position at 168, right above this. And the same thing for this. I'm planning to hold it 6 months, 1 year, wait until it hits 200 and then sell. And that's all I had for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is just sharing what I'm doing. This is just my game plan. And have a good rest of the week.